Yeah, guys. So I've been stripping and stripping a clock and working on it. The taking off the trim and whatnot. I'm gonna be taking that out. I gotta take the back off so that I can get to the movement. So I can take the movement out, clean up the movement, put it back together after put it back in there and then stain it. Because the finish was horrifying. I did have a video like this one before, except I screwed it up big time. I forgot to pause. So yeah, give me a hot second, I'll scrape this off, go at it again. Alright, I stripped as best as I could. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go over the wire wheel and then I'm going to sand it. I have sandpaper in the truck. Forget about that. After that, I'll see if I can pop the back off so I can get the movement out. To do that, I'm going to see if I can try and find a my can of stain, which is somewhere in this garage. I do have that already there. I just have to I don't see it. I don't readily see it, so yeah, it's gonna be a little unfortunate. Yeah, it's somewhere. There it is. More seconds. I'm gonna get the wire wheel. Okay, it's already starting to look a little bit better. Alright, let's go in the truck. We'll grab my sandpaper. Ideally, you want to use 600 grit. For you guys that are not familiar with this kind of stuff. That's P220. That's what the person in the Home Depot said. I was looking at more of the silicon carbide though, like the silicon. It's kind of like alumina or something. You use it for, believe it or not, the black sandpaper is actually a particular type of aluminum, if you're wondering. Alright, there comes the tedious part. I gotta sand this. Best thing I could probably do though is, yeah, if all else fails, tomorrow I'll go get myself a sanding sponge. And yeah, alright, give me a moment. Alright, this is getting kind of long, so I get long for what I have because it takes so damn long for my computer to load stuff. That's why I don't upload as much anymore. I'm gonna get the bottom, and I'll make a part 2 if I can get the back out. Hopefully I can without breaking it. If I break the back, I can have someone make a back. Annoying enough as it is, I can get that done. Alright. There, guys. Oh boy.